Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily fix applications on device privacy in your Google Chrome. Let's begin. First, open up Chrome. And from here, I want you to click on this button on the top right corner of your screen. Go to Settings. Then go to Privacy and Security. Just simply click on Site Settings. Then scroll down under permissions, you can click on additional permissions right over here. Then locate this part, apps on device. All right, click on it. Here, you will be given two options. First is sites can ask to access other applications and services on this device, or simply disable this. So you need to click on this option to make this work. And this will actually add a layer of security in which some sites will not automatically draw data from your Gmail and other applications that you are trying to integrate. However, the downside is some sites might not work, but you can simply toggle this on again and everything should work smoothly as ever. So just make sure to click on this and it should fix it. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.